Hey everyone, welcome to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out the world's first music to light your soul. We're looking at a Drybag here. This is a Cool Life waterproof dry bag. It's got a built-in Bluetooth speaker with solar light. It's waterproof. What are all the things? For hiking, for all kinds of stuff. So, snap lock for maximum sealant protection. Doubles as a handle. Solar panels charges your speaker and light, constructed with extremely soft, flexible PVC material. A shoulder strap, reinforced base, 10 square meters of lighting, waterproof, music activated color lights. Just all around kind of a cool looking deal here. You can grab this off of Amazon for about $31. Let's get on with the unboxing. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. So right off the bat, here we go. All right, here we have it, my friends. That has an inflatable thing there. All right, so there's this, and it definitely is made out of like some kind of a PVC rubberish product there. Here we have, looks like a shoulder strap, USB universal charging cord, another strap there, and the Sound Pack Dry Bag user manual. So I'm thinking this is like a backpack that's like waterproof, micro USB, all kinds of good stuff. All right, so let's check this thing out, shall we? It's pretty good sized. It's bigger than I thought it was. You can see it's almost 3 feet tall here. Okay, so there it is. You could put quite a bit of stuff in there, and it says it's waterproof. Assume that you just fold it down, and you can lock this over. I think that's how it works, like that. And keep in mind, this is just the unboxing. Once I get everything figured out, I'll do a product review and demonstration, show you guys all that, how to do that. Oh, okay, I was thinking you blow up the bag with this little port. This is actually your little waterproof port for your micro USB charging thing. It also has, we got our power button here. It has a nice little array of solar panels. Here's your speaker. It also changes light color, I believe. I'm pretty excited to actually do a product demonstration on this. As you can see in the back, it has a couple hooks. Definitely feels waterproof. I'm guessing it says this is doubles as a handle, and I could see that. You know, you can grab on there pretty good. Seems fairly durable. These are your straps here. See if I can open up a bag here. There we go. All right, that's cool. So you got your little clips, pretty sturdy. Some heavy duty plastic looks like, and these appear to be fully adjustable as well. Looks like they just, I assume, they just snap on right here on your handle, and down here on the bottom part there, and it works just like a little backpack. You can throw it on there if you want to, on both sides. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, this is definitely a nice bright color. So if you're out maybe bicycling or hiking or something like that, makes you more visible. Also, this does have a light, I guess, so we will be doing definitely a product demonstration and final review shortly. But that's about it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again when we do the product review. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.